All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency Matic, Polygon, and we're going to be talking about what happens if Amazon picks them as one of the two cryptocurrencies. Some people don't know about this, but Amazon a while back, a month or two ago, said that they picked 4 cryptocurrencies. Matic is one of the 4. We'll tell you the other 3 when we get a little deeper in the video. And they're picking 2 of them to actually be the cryptocurrency that Amazon uses. So we're going to go over this. It's going to be pretty good. And go to their website, do a little price prediction, check out their Twitter. Then we're also going to talk about if you're making a killing on NFTs and cryptocurrency, that the taxes that you pay may be different. You may pay different taxes for NFTs being collectibles opposed to if you're buying the cryptocurrency. We're going to talk about that. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Or go on this channel to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yeah, one day even own some cryptocurrency. So Polygon is number 13 on CoinMarketCap. We're going to go over that. It's actually up in the last 24 hours. That's pretty good. Hey, let's head over to Matic. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Polygon number 13, $2.34 it's being traded at right this second. And it's up about almost 10% in the last 24 hours. So doing pretty good right there. Let's click it. So again, to the right over here to the top, up about 9.29%, almost 9.5%. Taking a look. In the last day, it looks like it jumped off the charts on this one. So 9 or 10% is very nice. See in the last 7 days. So in the last 7 days, it was higher. It actually came down. And everybody that's had this coin was like, oh man, it came down. And now it's back on the uptick. Now when this came down, I think all the cryptocurrencies came down. Again, why did the cryptocurrencies come down? We think there's 3 reasons basically. And in no particular order, number one, the Fed's made that comment about how they're raising interest rates 3 times in 2022. People aren't happy about that. Number 2, COVID. COVID is actually, the different strands and everything else. People have the uncertainty about COVID. So with their money and everything, that's a thing. And the third thing is people last year in January put their money into investments. And in December, beginning of the year, they decided to cash out and take their profits off the table. So you add all 3 of those things in together, boom, everything went down last week, and it was down, down, down. Everything was down. Now things are starting to go back up. All right, back over to Matic. All right, so we're going to go over to this article. This was in November, about 2 months ago. This talks about AMP Crypto, but we're going to tie it into Matic. Amazon is considering AMP Crypto as legal payment on the website in 2022. Yep. All right, so let's go down here a little bit. It said Jeff Bezos has reported directly Amazon to look into considering cryptocurrencies as a legal payment by 2022. Well, we're in 2022. A team of crypto experts are examining the possibility to partner with coins that are available for less than a cent or within $1. So they're trying to stay within a cent to $1. Well, Shiba's a little lower. Okay, it says right here, the Amazon team has presented 4 different cryptocurrencies. Now, this is an AMP article, but here's the 4. AMP token. Look right below it. Shiba Inu, Matic, and HOK. H-O-K-K. We've done a video about a week ago of Shiba with Amazon. We just did a video 3 or 4 days ago on HOK. This is the first time we're doing a Matic one with Amazon. I think it's important to bring up because, again, so watch what it says. So there's 4 of them. However, among the 4 options, the team is examining the potential collaboration. The insiders claimed that only 2 would be finalized as legal payment on the website. Check out the page, and would AMP make it in the top 2 remaining? Unknown. Well, either way, would it be AMP and Matic? Would it be Shiba and Matic? Would it be HOK and AMP? I mean, which 2? And let's look again over the 4. AMP token is one of the 4. Shiba Inu is one of the 4. Matic is one of the 4. And HOK is one of the 4. The sole reason Amazon is looking to incorporate lesser value coins, it is easier, accessible, and much more affordable for customers to purchase and pay, and not everyone is comfortable with buying Bitcoin or Ethereum at the prices of being so high, and not to meet the target of a wider audience. I mean, yeah, you got a Bitcoin at, what is that, 42, 50, it's 42 right now, 42 to 52, and you want $20 and something, $120 and something, you may not want to break down your Bitcoin. May not have a problem breaking down your Matic depending on how much you have and doing your AMP. So yeah, just wanted to kind of cover that. So give us your thoughts here. Did you know that Matic was one of the 4 cryptocurrencies that Amazon is considering? We also heard that Amazon may come up with their own coin. I also heard that Amazon may actually start selling cryptocurrency. Like, if they became like a small exchange, they would have Bitcoin and Ethereum on there, kind of like Cash App. You can buy Bitcoins. Don't know if that's going to happen. But again, this article is talking about using cryptocurrency in 2022. They've already picked the 4, and then the 4 is going to go down to 2. So Matic, if you're a Matic army and you've loved Matic and you've been with them for a while, this could be a good thing. It could make the price just jump, jump, jump. All right, let's head back over. All right, checking out the Polygon Matic website. Ethereum Internet of Blockchains. Polygon is a protocol and framework for building and connecting Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks. Scalable solutions on Ethereum supporting a multi-chain Ethereum ecosystem. I like scale your decentralized apps in 30 minutes. 3,000 DApps have already been scaled. Get started. You click it. Kind of takes you to where you want to go from there. Polygon Zero, Enterprise Chains, Polygon SDK. The other thing right here is Polygon Bug Bounty is live. Get paid up to $2 million if you discover a bug in the Polygon network. All you do is you click right here and it actually lists what you get paid if you find bugs in their program. So, Polygon could make the final 2. Could be gigantic for Polygon Army, for Matic. All right. NFTs, are you killing it with NFTs? And are you killing it with cryptocurrency? The IRS actually may tax you differently for your NFTs opposed to your cryptocurrencies. So let's go ahead and head over to this and see what this article has to talk about. All right, making a killing on NFTs and crypto. The IRS may tax them differently. It says right here, the non-fungible tokens are likely to be considered collectibles, which the collectibles carry about a 28% top federal tax rate on long-term capital gains, according to tax experts. I am not a tax expert, I'm just reading this. The higher the 20% top rate applies to investment returns for stocks, bonds, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Explicitly said, however, the IRS hasn't said if the NFTs are collectibles or not. Let's dig a little deeper. It says, in the digital realm, right here, all taxes are not necessarily equal. So over here it says, investors who sell an NFT, such as digital art, may owe a top of 31% federal tax rate on the earnings. 31% possibly. Okay. Compared to the appreciation of Bitcoin or Ethereum and digital coins, it could be a 23% top rate. So 31 and 23 is a little bit different there, so it could be a little bit depending on which one you're doing. It says because NFTs are more like collectibles for tax purposes, collectibles carry a higher maximum tax rate on capital gains relative to assets like stocks, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. So IRS hasn't said exactly if the NFTs are collectibles. They're leaving some room for interpretation. The NFT market grew from $6 billion in the third quarter of 2021 to only $22 million a year before. 22 million, 6 billion, B and M, there's no comparison. So the market is just jumping off the charts right now, everybody. This is something that's interesting too. The number of NFT buyers also swelled. It says in 2020 there was 19,000 people that actually bought crypto NFTs, NFTs I should say. And this year, in 2021, there was 260,000. Let me put this into comparison. You're going to get a bonus at work, and you get to choose it. Do you want a $19,000 bonus from your job or a $260,000 bonus from your job? $260,000. That's how many more people. There was 260,000 people that did NFTs this year in 2021. Just last year, 19,000. So yeah, Uncle Sam is figuring out the tax for your NFTs and your crypto. All right. What do you think about the NFTs being taxed at a certain rate opposed to crypto? Kind of makes sense. They're trying to figure out if they're collectibles or not. Definitely want to look into that. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal, again, is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, paying taxes on cryptocurrency, take it up with your tax accountant. But again, reading articles and knowing about it, it's not bad to educate yourself. All right, let's head back over to Matic. Over here on Matic's website, it says it has over 3,000 DApps that are already live on Matic. You can click it, and then look at it. It kind of goes right here. SportX, Sushi Swap, Quick Swap, AAVE. I mean, you can just go on and on. There's 3,000 already projects that Polygon is actually already doing. So that's some pretty good stuff if you like Polygon and you want to do some projects. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap's charts here. So it looks like its coin got as high as $2.87 in December here. So our price prediction is I think this token can definitely get to $2.50 by the end of the first quarter. All our information is for educational purposes only. A lot going on with Matic and Polygon. If it happens to get picked as one of the 2 cryptocurrencies that goes with Amazon, it's going to be pretty exciting. I mean, think about those 4 tokens: AMP token, Shiba Inu, Hulk, and Matic. 2 of the 4 are going to be the cryptocurrencies that Amazon's going to be working with. All right, everybody, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Monday through Friday, we're bringing a video every single day at noon Eastern Standard Time. If we do bonus videos, they're at 5 o'clock or 8 o'clock. And on the weekends, we bring you a video around 3 to 4 o'clock. All right, everybody, you have a fantastic day today.